Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can customize or change a system of vibration intensity in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application. And after we have opened our settings application, we can go to the sounds and vibration setting, this one. Okay, and here we have to go to the system vibration right here. Then here we can customize or change our system of vibration intensity. You just need to go right like this to increase the intensity, or you can also go left to decrease the intensity. Okay, and now the system vibration intensity has been changed, and that's how we can customize the system vibration intensity. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.